Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue: iPhone apps refusing to download. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But fear not, we'll go through several troubleshooting steps to get those downloads flowing again. Stay to the end because the last step resolves this problem in 95% cases. Sometimes, a simple refresh can do wonders. Let's start by signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in. Go to Settings. Tap on your name at the top. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign back in. Next, let's make sure there are no restrictions preventing app downloads. Go back to Settings. Tap on Screen Time if enabled. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select Allowed Apps. Ensure all apps are allowed. Still no luck? Let's double-check another restriction setting. Let's step back and within Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on Content Restrictions. Here, navigate to Apps and make sure that Don't Allow is not selected. Go and select 9 Plus or 12 Plus or 17 Plus. If you're using cellular data, ensure app downloads are permitted. Go to Settings. Tap on the App Store. Under Mobile Data, toggle on Automatic Downloads and make sure that App Downloads is set to Always Allow. Sometimes a network glitch can cause download issues. Let's try a quick refresh. Wipe down from the top right corner. Tap on the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, then disable airplane mode. This might seem obvious, but a weak or unstable connection can definitely stall downloads. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or sufficient cellular data. A good old restart can often fix minor software glitches. Hold down the power button or the side button on newer iPhones until the Slide to Power Off prompt appears. Slide to power off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. If none of the previous steps work, you can try resetting your network settings. This will erase all Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so be prepared to re-enter them. Resetting network settings is a last resort. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. By following these steps, you should be able to get your app downloads back on track. If you're still facing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips.